Birds attacked my van on 6/6/15. Hey kitties, hey everyone, how you doing? It's me, Timothy, doing birds attacked my van. Cotton pickers, what have I done to birds? What have I done to them to make them pissed off at me? I must have done something to make them pissed. And boy, they're pissed. That's for sure. That's for cotton picking sure. Yeah, that is for cotton picking sure. So, how has everyone's Saturday been going for them out there? Wherever you are at, watching me from. How's the weather where you are at? I hope yours is like ours here in Michigan, but if it isn't, I will send it to you. Just drop a comment below and let me know if you would like what we're having here in Michigan. I will definitely do that. It's real nice and comfortable today. Yeah, real nice and comfortable. I can't believe it. I really can't. Just amazing. 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 Yes. Amazing. It's real nice, again, real nice and comfortable. Good day for people to get out and take a walk. I just got done taking my walk. Yeah, just got done taking my walk. Yeah, just got done taking my walk. So, what does everyone have planned to do on this Saturday? Anything big? Any big plans? If you do, drop a comment below and let me know what you got planned to do on this Saturday. This wonderful Saturday. This awesome Saturday. Me, I don't have very much plans in stored. No plans at all. And no plans at all. I had to run to the bank and get some money out, and I had to get my daughter's check cash for her. Her $42 came today. Yeah, people get their $42 checks this month. And I went and cashed that for her and got it put it up until I hear from her, and then I'll take it to her. I will take it to her. I will take it to her. I will take it to her. Well, yeah, and then I got some more money out because got to get something for supper tonight. Probably going to try to make that all-American burger that you see on commercials from Hardee's. Any of you got Hardee's where you're at? If you do, drop a comment below and let me know if you got a Hardee's where you're at. And are you going to go try that all-American burger from Hardee's? If you do, do a video of it. Yeah, do a video. I would like to see you do a video of eating that all-American burger with the hot dog on it and chips at the bottom. The all-American burger from Hardee's. Wish we had a Hardee's here where I live at, but nah, we don't have no Hardee's where I live at. I would like to see them come to our town. I really would. I definitely really would. Yeah, definitely really would. Yeah, planning on going to the store, and then I gonna go to two different stores. One store I gotta stop at to get a tape so I can record Ghost Adventures if that's new tonight. Ghost Adventures on the Travel Channel. I know I gotta get an 8-hour tape for that. Yeah, an 8-hour tape. But yeah, I probably get the stuff that I need to make the all-American burger and go to another store to do that. And then after that, come home and get Penny, and then me and her will take off. I don't know where we're planning on going. Probably do the library, so I can use their computers so I can upload there. Yeah, upload at the library. The wonderful library. The awesome library. Yeah. And then after the library, we'll leave from there and just head home. Head home for the day. And just chill and relax. And probably pop in some DVDs to watch until our favorite shows come on tonight. Yeah, got our favorite shows coming on tonight. My Cat from Hell, that comes on at 8 o'clock on Animal Planet. That's a good one to watch. We'll be watching that. And then there's another one that comes on right after that at 9 o'clock called Tree Top Cat Rescue. That just started last week. So if you got Animal Planet, hey, check out Tree Top Cat Rescue. That's a cool one. That's a cool one. Got these people that go up trees and rescue cats. It's cute. It's cute. These poor cats will get up on the way top of a tree, and these people gotta go up there and rescue them. But they do it by roping that. It's pretty cool. Check it out tonight. If you got Animal Planet where you're at. Yeah. Check it out. I think a lot of you would like it. Then I gotta record again Ghost Adventures at 9 o'clock if that's all new tonight. Ghost Adventures. Any of you watch Ghost Adventures? Drop a comment. Let me know if you watch Ghost Adventures. I'd like to know. I would like to know. And then I gotta wait till midnight to record another one called Hillbilly Blood. That's a pretty good one too. Yeah, that's a pretty good one too. The two guys rig up things on this show, and it's pretty cool how they do it. It's real good. I think a lot of you would really like that too. So, yeah, if you're not interested in My Cat from Hell or Treetop Cat Rescue, then check out Hillbilly Blood. That comes on at 9 o'clock on the Discovery Channel, if your cable provider or satellite provider carries it. I think a lot of you would really like that. That's a cool one. It's cool what Spencer and his friend does. Rig up things to get them to work and everything. And then there's this old guy. He's got a pet squirrel, and he has it rope around it and everything. And it's pretty cool, man. Check it out. I think you would really like Hillbilly Blood. Yeah, I think a lot of you would really like Hillbilly Blood. But yeah, check it out for me, will ya? Yeah, check it out for me. But yeah, I'll be recording that. And then after that gets done, then I'll probably be calling it for the night. Yeah, I'll be calling it for the night. That way I could get me some sleep. Get me some sleep. That way I could start my Sunday off right on the right track with some good night's sleep. Yep, some good night's sleep. Some awesome good night's sleep. Some wonderful good night's sleep. Some tremendous good night's sleep. Well, kiddies, well, everyone, just wanted to do Birds Attacked My Van to say hey. And I hope everyone out there has one wonderful and enjoyable Saturday and what's left of it for some of you. Yeah, what's left of it for some of you. And if any of you out there are getting close to going in to a Sunday, or almost stepping into Sunday, or at Sunday's doorstep knocking at it saying, hey Sunday, open up and let me in. Hey Sunday, open up and let me in. Hey Sunday, open up and let me in. Well, happy Sunday. Yeah, happy Sunday. Y'all take care. and I'll be speaking to you real soon. Hey, and do me a big favor out there, will you? Will you do me a big favor, everyone? Give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, give her a big thumbs up if you could do that for me. And also share this video with your family and friends. I would really appreciate that also. That way your family and friends could check me out, and if they like me, they'll come and subscribe. But please do that for me. From the bottom of my heart, do that for me. If you did videos, I would do the same for you. Share your videos with my family and friends. So please do that for me. And also, if you're new watching and came across, hit that little red subscribe button right there or over here. I would really appreciate that also. And that way you can check out my videos. And if you like them, hey, share them with your family and friends also. Also, check out my other videos I have up. I got plenty of other videos for you to enjoy and watch. And I think you would too. But please do that for me. Again, everyone, thanks for watching. Y'all take care and have a good one. I'll be speaking to you real soon out there.